The Sendai subway is a subway system in Sendai, Japan. It is operated by the Sendai City Transportation Bureau. The subway consists of two unconnected lines, the north-south Namboku Line, which opened in July 1987, and the east-west Tozai Line, which opened in December 2015. The subway was damaged in the 11 March 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami and shut down. It reopened on 29 April 2011. Rolling stock are Sendai Subway 1000 series and Sendai Subway 2000 series. Sendai Subway system in the port city of Sendai in Miyagi Prefecture has two lines. The Namboku Line, color-coded green, which runs south-north from Tomizawa Station to Izumi-Chuo Station. The Tozai Line, color-coded light blue, which runs west-east between Yagiyama Dobutsu Koen Station and Arai Station. The Namboku Line opened in 1987. The newer Tozai Line was completed in December 2015. The Namboku Line uses fuzzy logic to control the speed and acceleration of its trains, a world first. The cheapest ticket on the Sendai subway is 200 yen. The one-day subway pass allows unlimited rides on the two Sendai subway lines for one day with discounts at various tourist attractions. On weekdays, the price for adults is 840 yen and children 420 yen. Total number of stations is 30. The system length is 28.7 kilometers. Daily ridership is 159,000 of passengers. Annual ridership is 58 million of passengers.